In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your cPanel password in GoDaddy. If you need to update the password for your hosting account, this is a quick process, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you know exactly where to go and what to look for. Before you begin, make sure you can already sign into your GoDaddy account since you'll need access to your dashboard to complete the change. Start by logging in to GoDaddy. Once you're signed in, head to the My Products section. This area shows the products and services connected to your account, so take a moment to find the web hosting section. If you have more than one hosting plan, be sure to choose the correct one before moving on, especially if you manage multiple websites. Next to your hosting account, click Manage. This will open the settings and management area for that specific hosting plan. From here, you'll be able to access the account details tied to your hosting environment. Once you're in the hosting management area, scroll down until you find Account Details or Settings. The exact wording can vary slightly depending on the version of the dashboard you're seeing, but you're looking for the section that contains login-related information and account configuration options. In that section, click Change Password. This is where you can set a new password for your cPanel access. When creating your new password, choose something strong and unique. A good password typically includes a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Avoid reusing old passwords or choosing anything too simple. If available, using a password manager can make this much easier and more secure. It's also important to note that while you can change the password here, the username is generally fixed for that specific cPanel instance and usually cannot be edited from this screen. If you're working on a VPS or dedicated server and need additional cPanel usernames, those are typically created as entirely new cPanel accounts through Web Host Manager rather than by changing the existing username. After entering and confirming your new password, save the change if prompted. Once it's updated, make sure to store the new password somewhere secure so you don't lose access later. And that's it. Your cPanel password should now be updated through GoDaddy.